Hi, welcome back to Wallflowers. So today is my Friday haul. I've got a basic shop at a very basic price. There are a few bulk buys within, and I'm really happy with the bulk buys. I've got 2 kilo of Cumberland sausage at a rock bottom price, 15 packets of bagels at a rock bottom price, and over a year's supply of garlic at a rock bottom price. I'll walk you through how I've paid next to nothing for all of this shopping today compared to what it would have cost me in the supermarket. I'll reiterate what I always reiterate. I don't shop in supermarkets anymore. I only shop in food discount stores, and I love it. I do really well. Let me start at the beginning. So here we have 6 chicken schnitzels. Now they came just in a blue bag, and I've separated them 2 per Ziploc bag to go into the freezer easily. And as you can see, they're a really good size. Now I've paid £2.52 for those chicken schnitzels. Had I bought them in the supermarket, they would have actually cost me £16.25. An absolute amazing saving. I haven't worked out the savings today, but if you're used to watching the hauls, you know I do. But what's that? Nearly £14 savings. Next on the list is some hot and spicy chicken wings, and I've just quickly given them a count. There's 10 in there. Now I've paid just 60p for those chicken wings today, but they would have cost me £4.25, giving me a £3.65 saving. Amazing. Next we have 8 garlic slices, garlic bread. I've paid 40p for those today. They would have cost me £2.35, giving me a £1.95 saving. Lovely. A pack of back bacon, it was requested before I went shopping. Unfortunately, I could only get the unsmoked. We normally prefer the smoked. So that 3 points is 3 times 42, which is £1.26. And it looks like I've been diddled. So supermarket price is £1.25. So it looks like I've been diddled by 1p. But gaining £14 on the schnitzels more than compensates for that today. I got 2 small garlic cheese. I've paid £1 each for those, £2. They would have actually cost £2 each in the supermarket. Cost them £4, so a £2 saving. A really large bag of fries. Oh, I nearly fell over then. A really large bag of fries. Chips. I've paid just £1 for that bag today. That would have cost £4 in the supermarket. £5, sorry, give me a £4 saving. This whole pack of peeled garlic. There's 1 kilo of peeled garlic there. Now I've paid £3 for that today. That would have actually cost £9.90, giving me a £6.90 saving. Absolutely amazing. Now I've been looking at ways to preserve that. Canning is off because apparently they go too mushy. Freezing, they go a bit mushy. So I don't know whether I'll preserve some in oil and dehydrate some. But if you've got any good ideas, even rebel ideas, please let me know in the comments how I can preserve a lot of this garlic. We do love it. There's approximately a year's supply there. So if you've got any ideas how to preserve it, they're very welcome. Next is lentil soup, but it's a spicy lentil soup. I've paid just 20p for that. Oh no, I got that absolutely free, and that would have cost £2.90. 40 tea bags I paid just 20p for. They would have cost 69, so it's a 49p saving. Got 3 nice mixed peppers for just 25p. They would have cost £1.19, giving me a 94p saving. Lovely. A bag of mixed salad, 20p I've paid, would have cost 95, so a 75p saving. A small tin of tuna chunks. I've paid 20 pence, would have cost 65 in the supermarket, so a 45 pence saving. I got 3 lovely packs of hummus. I got those absolutely free, but had I bought those, it would have cost me £3.90. Again, 4 tubs of porridge. They were 4 for 1 today, so I got 4 of those porridges for just 42 pence. They would have cost me £5.20 in the supermarket. So what's that? £4.80, not enough savings. I got 2 free roasted couscous, and I'll enjoy that. I say I got them both free. They would have cost £3.80. Big savings. A large yellow courgette. I paid just 20 pence for that. Would have cost 79 pence. So a 59 pence saving. A nice new hand wash. This one's imperial leather, and it is frankincense. One of my friends thinks it smells really nice, and the other one doesn't think it smells nice at all. So we'll give that a whirl and see how it goes. I've paid just £1 for that today, and that would have cost £1.90, so a 90 pence saving. This looked really nice. So it's a Dijon mustard mayonnaise, and as you know, we really like our mayonnaises. So that was on offer for 42 pence, so I thought I'd grab that today. Now that would have actually cost £3.25 in the supermarket. Amazing. And the same token was the burger pickle. It reminded me of Piccalilli, so it's going to be slightly different. I've paid 84 pence for that burger pickle. Would have cost £1.70. So that's £1.86. Oh no, an 86 pence saving. So I saved more than I spent. The sponges. At first, when I picked them up, I thought they were trifle sponges, but they're just sponges. Suppose you could make a trifle with them. So they were 20 pence. Would have cost £1.99 in the supermarket, or £1.79 saving. These packets of Kinder Bueno, I picked 4 up because they were only 25 pence each. So I spent the £1. Had I bought those in the supermarket, they would have cost me £13.20 for the 4 packs. So that saved me £12.20 on just a little throwaway treat. I bought this on the regular, so this is just a tub of passata tomato sauce. I've paid 20 pence for that. Would have cost £1.35, so £1.15 saving. Next, I've never seen this in a carton before. I've seen white sauce in Dolmio jars, etc. And yes, I can perfectly well make a bechamel sauce, but I've never seen these before, but I thought I'd give them a whirl. So I picked 2 up. So they were 42 pence each, so that's 84 pence. Would have cost me £2.30, so a £1.46 saving. Amazing. And it'll save all that mess in the pan. The worst thing with the bechamel sauce is the stain in the pan and scrubbing it with the wire wool. I treated myself to a bottle of Lucozade. I don't generally drink fizzy drinks, but if I do and I'm dry, it's always the Lucozade I reach for. So I paid £1 for that today. It would have cost £1.65, so a 65 pence saving. A bottle of Dalu fruit shoot. I've paid just 60 pence for that today. It would have been £1.40 in the supermarket. So, sorry, it would have been £2 in the supermarket, or £1.40 saving. A really large box of Crunchy Nut cornflakes. Now, I like a bowl of these for supper sometimes. You can bake with them. You can do all kinds with them. Any cereal is. It's got lots of different uses. So I've paid 60 pence for these today. They would have actually cost me £4.50 for the large box. So a £3.90 saving. Absolutely amazing. I got a large bottle of All White's lemonade. Oh no, these are the cans, sorry. I got 2 cans of Tropical Pop. I've paid 20 pence each, so 40 pence. They would have cost me £1.40, so £1 saving. A bag of Skittles. Now, these are fudge Skittles, so they will be nice to do a party tray bake or something like that with. School dinner cake, that kind of thing. And I've paid £1 for them today, but that bag there would have cost me £4.99 in the supermarket, so that's a £3.99 saving. It'll be really nice in a tray bake. 2 packets of bacon tuck. I've paid 84 pence for those. They would have cost me £1.30 in the supermarket, so it's a 46 pence saving. A pack of chews. Now these look really nice. I've paid just 20 pence for them. They would have cost £1.99, so £1.79 pence saving. And they're not even on the list, are they? Oh yeah, I've paid 84 pence for each bottle, and they would have cost £5.25, but we've only put one on. Oh right, okay. So it's a £4.41 saving on the R whites. I've paid 84 pence each. Next on the list is pasta spinach. Now I got that absolutely free today, but that would have cost me £4.25. Next is an amazing bulk buy. I'm really happy with this. So this is 2.72 kilo of Cumberland sausage, and they look absolutely lovely. Now I've paid £4 for that box today. I'm not sure how many actual sausages is in it. So I've paid £4 for those sausages today. They would have actually cost me £25.15, which is a £21.15 saving. And Cumberland sausage are absolutely delicious. So maybe a nice fancy toad in the hole or something like that on a recipe. I was just talking to Carol today about Yorkshire puddings. And I said, I'm not that fussed of a Yorkshire pudding on my plate, but I do like a toad in the hole. And since we've got them, I think I might make a fancy toad in the hole coming up. I got the first lot of herb ciabattas, absolutely free. They would have cost £2.80. I got sourdough crumpets, absolutely free. They would have cost £1.50. I got a toasty loaf, 40 pence. That would have cost me £1.50, so £1.10. Oh, sorry. I got that for 20 pence, so that's an 80 pence saving, would have cost £1. I got that one free, would have been £1.50, so full savings. I got the soft rolls absolutely free, and they would have been 99 pence. And then I got another 6 ciabatta absolutely free, and they would have cost £3. And then the last bulk buy, as I say, is 6 packets of bagels, all within date, and there are 5 in each packet. And I got the whole box today for just 50 pence. 50 pence. So you can toast them, just jam on toast, just butter. You can put any filling in, and you can even turn them dessert-wise and put chocolate spread or different things on them. And they're absolutely amazing for 50 pence. Now they would have actually cost me £11.22 to buy them. So what's that? £10.72 savings just on the bagels alone. And last but not least, she was encouraging me to try and take a really dead Acer. Now this one is struggling as it is. It's quite dry, and I offered her £1 for this one and she took it. So this is a Palmatum Acer. Now I already have one of these in the garden, exactly the same, so I know it'll recover because the one in the garden suffered windburn and different things in the past. So this will definitely recover. I've paid just £1 for it. Had I bought that in the supermarket, garden centre, etc., that would have cost me £16.99. So £15.99 saving. Absolutely amazing. So the wonderful shop here, everything you see behind me, everything you see on the island, I've paid a total today of £27.43. Had I bought it all in the supermarket, it would have cost me £179.59, which gives me a grand saving of £152.16. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. As I say, other than a couple of bulk buys, there's nothing you wouldn't generally pick up in your day-to-day shop and your weekly shop. Food sources, treats, cereals, etc. Now in last week's shop I got some pressed lime. Unfortunately, the lemonade was all drunk up, so that's why I bought these 2 big bottles of lemonade today, so we can drink some of the lime, and dilute it with the lemonade. So yeah, I'm really happy with today's shop. As I say, just got to do some juggle, some Jenga with the freezer, try and fit it all in. The chips will probably sit in the fridge and we'll probably have chips throughout the week, but that's fine because that's an absolute bargain. And other things will just be used along the way. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. Please tell me what your favourite score is. Please tell me what you like or what you wouldn't buy or what you would buy. Yeah, have you found a food initiative, food discount store by you yet? Take care, love. Remember you're loved and the world is a better place with you in it. Bye, love.